Abusia Ghanaian businessman billionaire Richard Ni Amakwe ena kyese ema binum ahyase expose no na ade na ekọ eye lady ya wona Richard Ni Amakwe ewo me screen so no the thing say bongo ideas ababe posti lady ene kyese some receipt bi ene kyese busia some pictures a kyese eye lady ene Richard Ni Amakwe yes eye wo mumienu bongo ideas ababe posti ya kyese emfonyi ni bi mu utimu se omumienu ewo emfonyi ni bi mu a kyese Richard Aiden apozi kama eye wa wuhunu Richard Krono ya Richard ye nensin wakoto eye kan say wakoto kai kura Bugatti asanso akoto private jet eye customized one do private jet no ebinum de nam say enya ne dia na fa akosi hin but whatever it is no abusia the enimu ane say oh you see na abusia the tie nyina ne say bongo ideas ebe post to sa emfonyi we mu ena wo twere we ede ka ho o see is Joanna Quay the estranged wife of Richard Quay brain or say is Joanna Quay or say is Joanna Quay not just episode or chile say we aye Joanna Quay aye chese wo hulano the estranged wife of Richard Quay the brain behind his success or not abusia wo de yanko kan de wo twere de kan wen aye de wo lady no eka emprempremu according to bongo ideas abusia bongo aba betwere sa ensem bebrebe we e de afa sa Joanna Quay a chese abusia o se wo ye estranged wife to ye kan say Richard Ni Amakwe abusia bongo ideas aba betwere say o say is Joanna Quay the estranged wife of Richard Quay is Joanna Quay the estranged wife of Richard Quay the brain behind his success or not? Richard and Joanna met in 2020 and in 2002 and started as high school lovers. They went on to date for 8 years when the man had almost nothing. In 2010, the two decided to get married, but marital disagreement started plaguing the marriage until both ended up in divorce court. Now, the question is, between 2002, when they first met, and the time the marriage started to fall apart, what were the contributions made by Joanna to set up Richard? Joanna dropped out of the University of Professional Studies, Accra, UPSA, out of sheer love in order to use her resources to support her man. Abusia, yento so enhwe de wohwere e de akanwen. She had saved a lot of money. She had saved a lot of money from her business, which she had planned to use to set up her own businesses or her own business. However, due to the love she had for Richard and the fact that he had almost nothing at the time, Joanna decided to support him with that money. She opened a joint account with him using the same money which both had access to. Richard had to fly to the United Kingdom but had no capital. Out of sheer love, Joanna decided to empty her entire savings to support him. If you check the document below, the investment mentioned, which was accruing the dividend, was withdrawn to pay for the flight. Richard flew to the United Kingdom and came back with nothing. Actually, he returned with a laptop, a TV, and a business idea. Abusian, we said yes, Richard Quay, and returned here from United Kingdom. Not just oba no natural anything abusian. Say natural anything yes. He pitched the business idea to Joanna because they were still in a relationship and she had some money wabano. Joanna decided to support Richard wholeheartedly. Yes, in fact, she gave him the money and supported the business idea with her monthly salary for over a year or so. That business flourished into Quick Credit, which later go rebranded as Bills. Abusua enyame nwanwa secretary bi ababontin sa Bills Microfinance disassociate itself and I say itself from Richard Ni Amakwe the lifestyle woye den all living utimu say ni estranged wife yi epese woye to say business no and Richard edi fili enyina so enim say Quick Credit ya Richard Quick Credit ontimi fan topican tompo what I say yes and no dear minomienu enim and even Richard Bills Macro Finance with a credit no womo add this associate self from Richard na brabo na wobo na said the lavish lifestyle na wo living no yenken BBA or say the seed capital of the business came literally from Joanna. Today, Richard and Joanna are in court over a divorce after all these years of support. In recent interviews, he explicitly stated that he built everything all by himself. The question is, judging by this story, could Richard have come this far without Joanna's support? In a recent interview, Richard failed to acknowledge the role of Joanna and attributed his entire success to his mother. Abusia, and send you the best and the mother. What I say, and young member you so yasha mana. A man so abusia wo hwe ni wi ya na wo chida wo shegilegi edimoko eshewoni enti according to Joanna no the wokan nyina ne say Joanna say ne ho akwakodim yes ne ho akwakodim ade sanso ya ne yakora ne say recent interview bia you can say Richard Ni Amakwe ye no wa acknowledge no say or can success in one said one another struggle ye na wahu waba drew baby a wogwe and so to Moses said this kana bow will be a yes na down for ne hajia for real yache hajia for real work fraud scam home US ama hajia for real akomu jail akan for wa bebu obi almost say me wonyonko na me nchiro ni suban enti woman ye even omo the message biaba said sa Bills Macro Credit ya we say say business ya wo nti de no omo the credit biaba said sa Bills Macro Credit no ene papi ne lifestyle all living no nature can be yes ena ye nyina so ye nim what I say obi a yakoche na danfo US scam and send someone there see there na just the lavish lifestyle we living and it just Bills Macro Credit enyayi now Bills Macro Credit abusia na sa Bills Macro Credit ke wo mu current mi emfa ye can say sa artist just Africa for your artist bigi nkrofo ya omoba ni party na senko ano sa Bills Macro Credit entimi mfa ba kumpo emba ono anim what I say yes enti abusia we ade de etwego a Joanna Jan so wo de ne nsam enam a wo complain a wo pi obi amana tie bi aka bi ade amano se wo de wogom eno no ntabusia ye follow emprempremu de enye easy kra eye kire se agunia ne bibia aye setup ache se adwomtofo wo se ombe piem omunyina aba bedru wahu ache se wo mo hwe se birthday no bibia bekoso ani gay nso o bleedy hard one receipt a wode ba ye enie wa obetimi anya time akan remove ye kan say receipt ni mu nsem de den egom a kire say osi business setup no ehonkrata ene ehode ade asay amazing TV. Subscribe to your channel. Not as I say no, or net Richard ni Amakwe no. I say no. What I say, yes, and subscribe to your channel for updates. Now amazing, aka you talk too much. If I go and see, I say